Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Craziness in Creativity. So today in this video we are going to make a pencil holder. So the materials required for making a pencil holder are a newspaper, a scale, a material for rolling the newspaper, Fevicol, scissor, a bottle cap for making a circle of the newspaper, some pearls or some decorative items, paints. I have used orange and yellow ochre paint in the pencil stand, and a few brushes. I have even used a jam bottle for giving the shape of the pencil holder. So we have made two circles in this. So the outer circle is made of this bigger cap and this inner circle is made of the smaller cap. You can make approximately 25 circles. I am using a cardboard for making a circle of radius 5 cm. You can even use other harder materials. And I have cut this newspaper which is 6 cm, which is 1 cm longer than this. Okay. This is how the pencil holder looks like. So if you have enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to share it. Thank you.